Anytime we want to find the product of two mixed numbers, we have to convert both of them to the improper fractions first. I have to multiply denominator by the whole number, and the result of the multiplication I have to add to the numerator. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 5 over 3 times 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 47. Now let's take a look if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator. We cannot, so simply we have to perform the multiplication. We have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 5 times 47 is equal to 35, and 7 times 3, or 3 times 7 is equal 21. Okay? Now this is the example of the improper fraction. We have to most of the time convert improper fraction to the mixed number by dividing numerator by the denominator. So I have 2/35 divided by 21. The question is, how many times 21 goes into 23? Once. 1 times 21 is 21. Subtract 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring down 5. How many times 21 goes into 25? It goes once. 1 times 21 is 21. Subtract, this is 4. My answer is 11. 4 over 21. Remember, the top number goes to the front, the remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. So that's why my answer is 11. 4 over 20.